Welcome to Learn with me, Mrs. Sullivan. It's Grateful Ninja by Mary Nin. Pictures by Jelena Stupar. If you ever run into me, I'm probably thanking someone or something. Merci. Thank you. Grazie. I haven't always been so grateful. I used to be ungrateful, which made me unhappy. When I received a gift, I would forget to say thank you. And if I was asking for something, it wasn't important to me to say please. When I played outside, I never took notice of the marvel of the world around me. I wasn't the happiest person to be around, but that changed one day when Calm Ninja and I made a pact to be more appreciative. My mom says happiness comes from the inside when we are grateful for what we have. That's a great idea. We can do a 5-day gratitude challenge to kickstart our thankfulness. Do you want to be my challenge partner? Yes, I do. We can do something different and fun every day. It didn't take long for us to come up with some really great ideas, and we soon put it into motion. Number 1, grow our thank yous and pleases. Thank you. Thank you. May I pet him, please? Number 2, gift ourselves a gratitude jar. Every day, we'll add a note of what we're thankful for in the jar. Number 3, give gratitude at the dinner table and before bedtime. We are thankful for our family and this food we are about to eat. Number 4, get a gratitude journal. Today, I am thankful for 5. Go on a gratitude nature walk. Wow! So pretty! Can you guess how I felt after the 5 days? If you guessed happy or grateful, you are correct. I couldn't remember when I felt happier. To my surprise, it didn't take a gift, new toy, or game to get me there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I began to appreciate the simple things, both big and small. The 5 G's. G for gratitude. 1, grow our thank yous and pleases. 2, gift yourself a gratitude jar. When you think of the gratitude things, it's like a present to yourself, a gift. 3, give gratitude at the dinner table and before bedtime. 4, get a gratitude journal. 5, go on a gratitude nature walk. Remembering the 5 G's could be your secret weapon against unhappiness. That's Grateful Ninja by Mary Nin. Pictures by Jelena Stupar. Mary Nin wrote this for her children, or they wrote this and dedicated it to their children. And here is their gratitude jar, and these are some of the things they're putting inside. I am grateful for my home. I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for the food I eat. I am grateful for sunshine. I am grateful for my health. I am grateful for kindness. I am grateful for drinkable water. I am grateful for peace. I am grateful for friends. I am grateful for access to the internet. Thanks for watching Grateful Ninja on Learn With Me, Mrs. Sullivan. I am grateful for my subscribers. Many thanks.